Before using the Big Eye Intelligent Position Manager for the first time, the system must be calibrated. Calibration must be performed before initial setup and whenever the saw blade or fence is replaced or adjusted. Before each cut, ensure the fence is securely locked. Select the appropriate calibration procedure based on your application. Follow this video to begin the full initial calibration process. Select Calibrate. Step 1. Pair the anti-vibration digital angle gauge. Power on the anti-vibration digital angle gauge and install it onto the mounting base. Wait for the system to search for available devices. Initial connection may take up to 30 seconds. Select the matching MAC address from the device list, then tap Pair Device. Next step, select your preferred measurement units. 3 unit display options are available. Imperial units are offered in 2 formats: fraction format, decimal format, with precision up to 4 decimal places. Metric format, with precision to 1 decimal place. Next step, enter the blade parameters. Locate the blade body thickness and blade tooth width marked on the saw blade. T1 represents the blade body thickness and T2 represents the blade tooth width. Enter the correct values accordingly. Next step, perform blade angle calibration according to the on-screen instructions. Set the saw blade to the 90 degrees upright position and verify it using a square. Press and hold the function button on the anti-vibration digital angle gauge for 2 to 3 seconds until the angle gauge resets to 90 degrees. Once calibration is complete, check the confirmation box on the display. Next step, perform the 45 degrees calibration cut. Set the fence to the high fence position and lock the fence securely. Tilt the saw blade to 45 degrees. Make a test cut, then measure the L3 dimension and the D2 material thickness. Enter the measured values into the corresponding fields on the display. Next step, perform the 60 degrees calibration cut. Tilt the saw blade to 60 degrees while keeping all other settings unchanged. Make another test cut and measure the L2 dimension and the D1 material thickness. Enter the measured values into the display. Next step, calibrate the 90 degrees high fence position. Return the saw blade to the 90 degrees upright position while keeping all other settings unchanged. Make a test cut and measure the L1 dimension. Enter the measured value into the display. Next step, calibrate the low fence position. Set the fence to the low fence position while keeping all other settings unchanged. Make a test cut and measure the L4 dimension. Enter the measured value into the display. Calibration is now complete. If only the saw blade has been replaced, select the second option to recalibrate the blade parameters. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the calibration. If only the fence has been replaced, select the third option to recalibrate the fence positioning parameters. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the calibration. Your Big Eye Intelligent Position Manager is now ready for operation.